Hi guys, welcome to Stessa Performance, and today we want to show you our progress on this beautiful 550 Maranello. And finally, I'm done with one side, which means this is the hardest part. You can see how I made this. So I actually saved the configuration that it was before in the car. So it still has the straight pipe right to the side. And here, the valve, and when it's closed, it goes through the side skirt to the back. So this part is going to be super easy because I'm going to go to the transmission, down in the middle to the back, into the muffler. This is the easiest part. So I'm done with only one side. So next side is my tomorrow project. This is ready right here, and now I need to build the same as on the other side. And also, I didn't show you, I forgot. As you can see, I was using oval elbow. See, it's not just round 2.5. Yes, I made 2 inches right here and then transition with slip on right here to 2.5. Why like this? Well, because the side skirt has this curve inside, so there is no way to fit the round pipe right here, and also the round elbow right here. It should be flat on this side to be able to install plastic fenders. So right there, finally, my god. Now it's time to put this beautiful car on the lift, and after that I can continue working on a exhaust system because I can't reach underneath the car. So it's time to move it.
Down. Slowly.
Our German AutoHaus Stig, and nobody knows who he is. Or maybe she is. We don't know. And now it's the next challenge. We need to put this on the lift. And again, we need to use wood and jacks.